Today I'm going to be doing a split base Dutch pour with some pinks, orange and yellow as the main colors. I'm using Naples Yellow Red, which is a new color that I'm trying by Amsterdam on this side. And Titanium White by Amsterdam on this side. You can find the exact paint colors and ratios all listed in the description box, along with all the other supplies too. I'm making sure that I've got paint on the edges too to help the paint flow over easily. Let's pop some of those air bubbles. I'm using my heat gun for that. Now we are ready for the colors. This is Vermilion by Amsterdam. Primary Yellow by Amsterdam. Rose Pink by Liquitex Basics. And Primary Magenta by Amsterdam. I'm popping some of those air bubbles again. I'm using the lowest setting on this little hairdryer to blow this out. I want to try and get a bit more color down here. I'm just going to play with the composition a little bit and see what we can do with that. I'm using the back of a paintbrush to create some additional details. I'm removing some of this section. I'm removing some of the color over here. I don't love this section, so I'm going to remove it. And I'm filling in this space with more of the Naples Yellow Red. And then creating a bit more interest on the sides using a straw. Well, let's see what it looks like from close up. I was originally planning to add some more pink in this section after I'd scraped it, but then I was afraid that I might ruin it, so I decided to just leave it as it is. These colors up here actually look even prettier in real life than what they do via the camera. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this one. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.